I think that's the bearing. I don't know if you can hear it. Get it bent back, I'll just weld it. I do like using the cutting disc 1mm to get an extremely good finish in tight areas. You can see that. So because this is very much thick to thin, that's 30mm to like 4mm, I'm going to direct all the heat into the thicker part. Here we go, power level 8. Direct all the heat into the larger bit. Yeah, buddy. So really that's as good as it has to be. It ain't perfect, but you can see these two are fairly well aligned. That feels good. That is going to go in there. Clean off the rest of that. Now this needs to be as level as possible, not with regard to everything else, but just level with regards to the fact that when the wire's getting pulled through there, I'll be on a pulley anyway, so it doesn't matter, but we do want the bar coming out to be as straight as possible. So I've got to cut the bar. Right, when I was thinking about how long I wanted this, obviously I want it wider than the frame, so in the unlikely event the bearings failed, it'll just do that. And also I wanted to make it so I could definitely fit it in from the side. Whoa, it's hot. Ah! Nice! That's not bad. That's not bad. Yep, that's good. Whoa. Sweet. Now we need to get that bar as level as possible. Is it that way or is it that way? We'll soon find out. Just as a reminder, these bearings, the casings do move, so it can be realigned. I actually had the level up a little bit too high then. I should have directed the heat more towards the bearing rather than the angle. Thank you.